Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, we are from Zil Polytechnic Nare Pune. Our micro project on convert lowercase string to uppercase string and vice versa. Program name is Computer Engineering, program code is CO, course name is Microprocessor and course code is 22415. Our micro project on under the guidance of Professor U.M. Bansode ma'am. Group members are I am Radha Pandarpurkar, Om Nangre, Janvi Raikar and Dhanashri Jadhav. Let's see lowercase letters. Lowercase letter definition is lowercase letters are all other letters not in uppercase. In writing, most letters are lowercase. Lowercase letters are all letters that do not begin a sentence or refer to a proper noun. English alphabet lowercase letters are A to Z. Example of lowercase letters: first, word. Second, the word of above uses only lowercase letters. Third, the sentence above has lowercase letters after the first letter of the sentence. Fourth, this sentence and the one directly above have all lowercase letters except for the T. Let's see uppercase letters means what. Uppercase letter definition is uppercase letters are letters that represents the beginning of a sentence or proper noun. Uppercase letters are also known as capital letters. Uppercase letters signal to the reader that something is important or significant. English alphabet uppercase letters are A to Z. All letters are in capital letters. Here are some examples of uppercase letters. Let's see functions of lowercase and uppercase letters. The lowercase function is used to convert uppercase letters in a character string specified as an argument to lowercase letters. The lowercase function is useful to uniformly managing alphabetic data using lowercase letters. The uppercase function is used to convert lowercase letters in a character string specified in an argument to uppercase letters. The uppercase function is useful for uniformly managing alphabetic data using uppercase letters.
Myself Janvi, I am going to explain the execution of the program. Our program is to convert the lowercase to uppercase. So first we have to give the title as case conversion program. Main program start with initialization of the data or DS. Then we print the first message and display the string function using move ahead 9 and display the first string message. Now we have to give the character input to convert into uppercase. Move ahead 1 reads the character function. Int21h reads the small letter function, that is the lowercase, and the function sub al20h converts functions. Convert the uppercase. Move character stores the characters that has been given or input to the our program. Then we have to display it on the next line. LEDDX MSGZ gives the second message. After that, move ahead 9 displays the message, and the uppercase string int2h gives the letter in front. Now does exit. Now we have successfully get the program output, that is we have converted the lowercase string to our uppercase string. We have to just close the screen. DOS exit function is used to close the screen. Here our program execution is done. Now same with the vice versa, in which uppercase string to lowercase string. We have to convert by changing only the one or two functions, that is the lower A2. Here we conclude to change the uppercase program to lowercase and vice versa. Also we studied uppercase functions and the meaning of uppercase and lowercase with their examples. The reference we have taken for this micro project is from the notes provided by our subject teacher, internet access and the links. Thank you.
Zeo Education Education Society. Redefining excellence.